Today May 4th 2021 is so sunny that I don't have to worry about rain. Today I'm going to take a walk from Nakano to Takadanobaba. On the way, I passed by AZ.Place, a billiard hall where I went all the way and worked a little as a clerk. Unfortunately, it wasn't open. Today's course is Nakano, Momijiyama Park Shita, Shiroyama Park, Meiji Nakano, Higashinakano, Kataki Bridge, Shimo Ochiai, Takadanobaba Yan Chom, Kataki Bridge, Kamiochiai Ichi Chom, Higashinakano, Meiji Nakano, Shiroyama Park, Momijiyama Park, then Nakano. I've added comments to each photo, so please read it if you have time. Icho Park near my house. There is one large ginkgo tree. Yesterday, I said that the bathhouse near my house didn't have a chimney, but it did. How many years have I lived here? Arrived under Momijiyama Park and headed for Shinjuku on Okubodori. There is a production that is famous for Golgo 13. It is a Benz dealer. I want it, but I can't. At this point, we will part from Okubodori and head north. There is Shiroyama Park. Further north, you can pass under the Chuo line. As you walk along the railroad tracks, there are places where you can see the train running very close. There is Meiji University Nakano Junior High School. It is a billiard hall, AZ.Place. Until about a year and a half ago, I came here almost every day to play billiards. I had a clerk do it for about half a year. It's open from 3 p.m. Arrive at Higashinakano Station. There is Ginza Street. I often used to go to this Mitsuya. It's a bar called Roots. I often used to go drinking here as well. My friend worked part-time, but is she still there? Now Chan, how are you? It is a large building on the site of the former Nihon Kaku. They are a high-rise apartment. Arrived at the Kanda River. There is a lot of water. Go north along the Kanda River for a while. It's a great walking course. This is Kataki Bridge. It is the intersection of Kataki Bridge. Which one would I go to in Shinjuku, and which one would I go to Okubo? Further north along the Kanda River. The Kanda River has a taste, doesn't it? I remember Kagaya Heim. Do you know it? I couldn't go along the river, so I turned right and entered the alley. I faced to Citizen Plaza in Takadanobaba. I've played bowling here. If I go in this direction, I should go to Takadanobaba station, but I will return to Nakano. It is the intersection of Kataki Bridge again. Cross the Kanda River and follow Waseda Dori towards Nakano. Enter Kuken Street and head toward Higashinakano. I've been to this yakiniku restaurant, it was delicious. The high-rise condominium built on the site of the former Nihon Kaku is now visible again. Recently, the number of fried chicken shops is increasing. It is Moon Road that anyone living in Higashinakano knows. Well, it's a bar town. Go straight along Higashinakano Station. Cross the Kanroku Dori and proceed along the railroad tracks. The gelato called Shiosakura here is delicious. A restaurant run by a foreigner and a Japanese couple. I've never entered, but I feel like it was rather crowded before. Cross the pedestrian bridge in front of Meiji Nakano. This is the direction of Shinjuku. This is the direction of Nakano. The train didn't come at all. Cross the pedestrian bridge and walk down the alley. The railroad tracks are close. I'm slowly walking in a residential area toward Nakano. I came back to Shiroyama Park again. Let's go up this slope to the junior high school where I graduated. This is Nakano Kyuchu. It has been closed down now. It is the Momijiyama Park in front of Kyuchu. Looking only at this, I feel like I'm in a valley. But it's just a park here. There is a steam locomotive in the park. It has been here since I was in junior high school. It was the way to go to school when I went to junior high school. It is Kamiochiai Bridge, on the Momozano River Greenway. This is the end of today's walk, and I will walk back home on the Momozano River Greenway. If you like this video, please click like button. Also, if you are interested in this program, please register for the program. Thank you for your viewing.